In this chapter, let us know about modules. What is a module? Consider a module to be the same as a code library, a file containing a set of functions you want to include in your application. Create a module. To create a module, just save the code you want in a file with the file extension .py. Example, save this code in a file named mymodule.py. See here, you should just write the code in any editor and save it to module.py. Use a module. Now we can use the module we just created by using the import statement. Example here, import the module named mymodule and call the greetings function. See, we should import by module. See, when using function from a module, use the syntax module underscore name dot function underscore name. See here, we had created a file name python demo module 1.py. Now we have written hello Ramya. We have just created that. Variables in module. The module can contain functions as already described, but also variables of all types, arrays, dictionaries, objects, etc. Save this code in the file mymodule.py. See, just write this code and save it in that module.py. Example, import the module named mymodule and access the person1 dictionary. See, import mymodule and just access the person1 dictionary. See, the age is called 36 already because we have written this one and saved. We imported that. Naming a module. You can name the module file whatever you like, but it must have the file extension .py. Renaming a module. You can create an alias when you import a module by using the as keyword. Example, create an alias for my module called mx. See here, import module as mx. See, the age is 36, the result is 36. Built-in modules. There are several built-in modules in Python which you can import whenever you like. Example, see here, import and use the platform module. See, now we are importing platform module. See here, the result Windows. Using the dir function. There is a built-in function to list all the function names or variable names in a module, the dir function. List all the defined names belonging to the platform module. See, if we, by executing this code, all the platform modules will be defined. The dir function can be used on all modules, also the ones you create yourself. Import from module. You can choose to import only parts from a module by using the from keyword. See example, the module named mymodule has one function and one directory. See the example, one function and one directory here. This is a function and this is a directory. Import only the person1 dictionary from the module. From my module import person1. See, only we have imported as. See, when importing using the from keyword, do not use the module name when referring to elements in the module. Example, person1 as, not my module person as. See here, just write the code like this. The result will be, the as will be shown here, result. Okay friends, this is the end of part 26 modules. In next video, let us learn about another topic, date time. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.